Hi, our adventure today starts at the Polynesian Hotel, where we're here to catch a bus to take us over to Animal Kingdom, to where we can go and enjoy the holidays at the Animal Kingdom. So come join me on this wonderful, fun adventure. Now the first thing we come to while we come into the park is the Christmas tree. Now I believe the Christmas tree here at Animal Kingdom is one of my favorite trees of all of the trees. It's a very nice looking tree. And I really do enjoy it. I mean, they have the toys around it. They have characters around the bottom. It's just a wonderful tree. And it's always something that you must see. It's a must-see when you come here at Animal Kingdom during the Christmas season. And as you can see, they have all kinds of cool decorations in it. Some nice lions and bulbs. There's Tigger. So nice, Piglet. So much fun. You got just all the characters. There's an alligator where you can play on a toy. There's boxes for presents. So nice. There's Chip and Dale. And there's Snow Globe. Just really darling. Isn't that beautiful? That's so nice. There's a Stitch and his train. The giraffe. Such a beautiful tree. One of the things you must do when you come here at Animal Kingdom during the Christmas season. One of the things that you must do here during the Christmas season is see the Merry Menagerie. These are handheld puppets, and some are quite extensive. And you can go up and pet them, you can see them, they have live music. It's so much fun. Let's come over and see what we see over here.
Planted by the government. Just listen and do it.
And there they do. There's the musician. Playing the steel drum. So nice. And then we have the violin.
Happy holidays!
Such a nice thing. Thank you all.
Thank
you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Oh, look at this! Look at the big polar bear. This is amazing. There you go. Look at him. And of course, you can just go up and talk and touch his head. Hello, my friend. How are you doing today? Thank you so very much. And there's a little child on. Like I said, that is one of the things you must do when you come here during the holidays. Here at the Animal Kingdom, they have all kinds of different ones. I've seen penguins here, I've seen bears. There's all kinds of wonderful creatures that you can come and pet and enjoy. It's good fun for the entire family. Of course, one of the great things about coming to Disney during the holidays is the decorating. Look at these beautiful birds And on the side of the buildings, you have all kinds of different decorations. It is so nice. Here we are. Now we're heading into the Dino Land, which, as you know, will be leaving us in January. But this year they're having the Dino Institute has invited us all to a holiday celebration back here at the Dino Institute. And even Gertie is getting involved with her hat. You never know what you'll see here. So we're heading into Dino Land Bash. Now, one of the things that Disney does for its annual pass holders, they sometimes give you some freebies. So today we're going over here to the Dino Institute to be able to pick up our free postcards from the new movie Mufasa, coming out later here in the month of December. So that's what's next. I have obtained our free gift. It's a Mufasa the Lion King card. Very nice. It's 5x7 and will fit into a nice frame if that interests you. The Dino Institute is welcoming Santa this year. So if you come down here during the Christmas season, make sure that you stop by and see Santa here at the Dino Institute. And we have arrived at the Grand Floridan. That's going to be my car in the future right here. I plan on buying one of those eventually, maybe. I don't know. But I'll probably end up in one of these instead. But I'll have to pay for the horse. And here we go. Hello, everyone. Oh, look at this. This is so beautiful. This is the life of Riley right here. You can't beat this right here. You can't beat it. This is so lovely, so beautiful. And here we go. Now we're going in. Christmas at Grand Floridan. As you know, the Grand Floridan is known for their wonderful gingerbread house and their huge tree. There we are. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's 2 small trees and then the big tree. Yeah, oh, wow. And we got flowers. That is so beautiful in here, so beautiful. Oh my, look at that, look at that. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, look at this, how beautiful it is in here. Chandelier, music playing. Oh my. You cannot beat this. Oh, look how beautiful it is. Whoa. And there he is. You cannot beat the Grand Floridian lobby. You just cannot beat it. Oh, look at that. Look at the house.
Alright, I got this.
Oh, that is so nice. Look how beautiful that is. That's a real beaut. And now let's try to zoom in a little bit on it. See what we can see. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh my. Isn't that lovely? That is so lovely. That is so lovely. Oh my. You cannot beat this at all. This is why we come to the Grand Floridan right here. And there's another view of it. The Grand Floridan gingerbread house. Here's the other side of the house. Santa Claus standing there. Oh, look at this. This is so nice. And there we go. I think I'll bring the video to the end. I thought it was so nice of a day. We went over to Animal Kingdom, we enjoyed that, and then we ended the day here at the Grand Floridan. You cannot ask for a better day than this. So, like always, we had a great adventure today, and hopefully you'll join me for some more adventures in the future. And if you like this video, please hit the like. If you'd like to see other videos just like this one, hit the subscribe button. But otherwise, just thank you for coming along and enjoying the adventure. As always, it's always a Disney adventure with Tim.